In this video, I will show you how to effectively learn English and boost your professional communication skills using ChatGPT as your personal tutor. To get started, I open my web browser and head straight to the ChatGPT homepage. The key to a good learning experience is setting the right context, so I've already prepared a detailed prompt in my notes. This prompt introduces me as Josh, a professional from the Philippines, and explicitly asks the AI to act as my dedicated English teacher. I carefully highlight that text, copy it, and then paste it directly into the message bar. You'll notice that ChatGPT responds almost instantly, confirming its new role and outlining a clear plan to help me with grammar corrections, workplace scenarios, and natural phrasing. Next, I want to dive into some practical applications by checking the grammar of a specific paragraph I wrote about feedback I received from my boss. I switch over to my notepad, select the text, and bring it back into the chat. Instead of just giving me a corrected version, ChatGPT actually breaks down my mistakes step by step, which is incredibly helpful for long-term learning. It explains the nuances of the present perfect continuous tense and even suggests the most natural prepositions to use when discussing my career. This level of detail ensures I don't just fix the text, but I actually understand the underlying rules. To further expand my range, I decided to ask for a list of 10 professional English words that are commonly used in corporate settings, specifically for meetings and email correspondence. I type out the request, and the AI generates a curated list featuring high-value terms like coordinate, clarify, and deadline. For every single word on the list, it provides a simple definition, a practical example of how to use it in a Philippine office environment, and a common mistake that I should look out for. It even wraps up the lesson with a quick mini quiz to test my retention, making the learning process interactive and engaging. Moving on to one of the most common tasks at work, I need to polish a draft for an important email to a client. I take my rough, informal version from my notes and ask the AI to rewrite it to sound more professional while explaining exactly what it changed. ChatGPT produces a much more sophisticated and polished draft, showing me how to use softer, more polite phrases to build better rapport. It even provides a very natural version of the email and offers a helpful tip on why certain sign-offs are better for business than others. Finally, I want to make sure I stay consistent, so I ask ChatGPT to create a comprehensive 7-day English practice plan tailored specifically to my professional goals. I paste in my requirements, and the AI generates a structured daily routine that fits perfectly into a busy schedule. As I scroll through the plan, you can see it covers essential topics like making polite requests, providing past tense updates, and using connectors to link ideas clearly. Each day includes a mix of grammar, vocabulary, and short exercises designed to be completed in just 30 minutes. This is a fantastic way to build a daily habit that leads to real, lasting professional confidence. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tips and tutorials.